exciting time. I wasn't going to be here, but when I heard that ruling, I decided to make the trip.
Oh my God, what a day to be celebrating. This is a huge achievement for LGBT people around the world. We are finally allowed to marry anywhere in the country, and this is huge. And this is my first New York Pride, by the way, so I'm a little like, I got the Holy Ghost, so I'm super excited.